Everyone expected the crypto bull run to explode by now. Bitcoin halving is done, new investors enter the space, and major institutions are slowly adopting crypto. But instead of a massive pump, the market is dipping. So what's really happening? In this video, I'm going to break down the real reasons the crypto market is going down, why this drop is 100% normal, and why this could actually be the final setup before the bull run begins. Let's get into it. Introduction. Over the last few weeks, many people have been confused. They expected green candles, profits, and the big bull season. But instead, crypto is red. Bitcoin is pulling back. Altcoins are bleeding. And fear is rising across the market. What most people don't understand is this. Every bull run in history begins with confusion, fear, and a sudden dip. This is not the end of the cycle. This is the preparation. I'm going to walk you through each reason so you clearly understand how the market really works. Reason 1. Whale manipulation, the shakeout phase. Let's start with the biggest reason, whale manipulation. Whales are large investors holding millions in crypto. Before every bull run, whales do the same thing. Heavy checkmark, they sell small portions. Heavy checkmark, push prices down. Heavy checkmark, create fear. Heavy checkmark, wait for retail investors to panic. Heavy checkmark, then buy back cheaper. This is called the shakeout phase. Its purpose is simple. Remove weak hands and give whales better entry prices. If you check the past cycles, 2012, 2016, 2020, this exact pattern always happens. This dip is not random. It's strategic. Reason 2. Post-halving delay, history always repeats. A lot of people expected Bitcoin to pump immediately after halving. But historically, it never happens that way. What usually comes after halving is a dip, a period of consolidation, slow steady growth, then the massive bull run months later. Miners also earn less Bitcoin after halving, so many of them sell part of their holdings to cover costs, creating temporary downward pressure. After every halving in the past, the same pattern happened. A dip followed by a huge bull run. So what you're seeing now is normal. Reason 3. Global economic pressure, high interest rates. Another major factor holding the market back, global economic conditions. Most countries today have high interest rates, high inflation, weak currencies, and slow economic growth. When interest rates are high, people avoid risky assets like crypto and prefer safer investments. This leads to heavy checkmark, less new money entering crypto. Heavy checkmark, slow growth. Heavy checkmark, more sideways movement. Heavy checkmark, and a delayed bull run. But governments cannot keep interest rates high forever. When they eventually reduce rates, crypto tends to explode. Reason 4. Regulatory fear. Around the world, governments are making new crypto regulations. Some investors see this as a threat, but it's actually a temporary fear factor. Right now, exchanges are adjusting. Companies are adapting. Investors are waiting. Banks are figuring out how to enter the space safely. This slows the market down temporarily. But history shows that once regulations become clear, big institutional money flows in safely, and that's when bull runs go wild. Altcoins bleeding is normal. If you look at altcoins right now, many are down by 20, 30, even 70%. This scares new investors, but this pattern is normal. In every crypto cycle, Bitcoin rises first. Altcoins stay quiet or fall. Then, once Bitcoin breaks a new all-time high, altcoins explode with huge gains. This is called the altcoin depression phase. It feels scary, but it always comes before altcoin season. If your altcoins are down, you're simply experiencing a normal part of the cycle. Reason 7. The market reset before lift OFF. Before any major pump, The market needs a complete reset. This reset does a few important things. Heavy checkmark removes over-leveraged traders. Heavy checkmark clears out overbought conditions. Heavy checkmark gives the market stability. Heavy checkmark allows new investors to enter at better prices. Heavy checkmark builds strong momentum. Every major bull run. 2013, 2017, 2021. All started right after a big emotional dip just like this one. This dip is not a crash. It's a reset. When will the bull run start? Most analysts agree that we are in the pre-bull stage right now. The true bull run will begin when Bitcoin breaks its previous all-time high. Interest rates begin to fall. ETF inflows return strongly. Altcoins complete their reset. Whales finish accumulating. Global markets stabilize. Based on current market patterns and history, the explosive bull run is expected soon. And it will catch many people unprepared. Conclusion: the crypto market isn't dying. It's preparing. This dip is not a sign of weakness. It's a sign of accumulation. Smart investors understand the cycle. They use dips to position themselves. Weak investors panic and miss the opportunity. Stay calm. Stay informed. And stay ready. Because the bull run always begins when people least expect it. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more simple and powerful crypto updates.